Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. Begin cutting away the body mount bracket, exhaust hanger, and sway bar bracket. Followed by cleaning and grinding the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Place the two sections onto the frame while using the frame holes for alignment. Secure them into place with C-clamps. Alternatively, you can weld one piece at a time to weld directly onto the frame. Step 4. Begin welding the two sections along all edges. You may need to move the C-clamps as you go. And you're done!